Sometimes life is not easy. You smile in front of people, but inside, you feel tired. Maybe you have stress at work. Maybe you feel lonely. Maybe something changed in your life and you do not know how to explain it.
And when someone asks, "Are you okay?" you only say, "Yes, I'm fine."
But you are not really fine.
Emma, this is hard in English. I don't want to say too much, but I also don't want to lie.
That is exactly what we will practice today.
So I can talk about hard times without using complicated English?
Yes! You will learn simple, respectful phrases to say how you feel, how much you want to share, and what kind of support you need.
Good. I need English that feels careful.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will know how to talk about hard times in English with honesty and confidence. Today, we will use a simple support map.
A support map?
Yes. Say the situation. Say the feeling. Say what you need. Set a boundary. Add hope.
Say the situation. Say the feeling. Say what I need. Set a boundary. Add hope.
Good. This map helps you speak clearly during difficult moments.
Because when life is hard, my English becomes even smaller.
That is normal. Hard moments need simple words.
Simple words feel safer.
Exactly.
What is the first phrase?
I'm going through a hard time.
I'm going through a hard time.
Good. This sentence is simple, honest, and not too detailed.
I'm going through a hard time.
Let's start with ways to say the situation.
Okay.
I'm going through a hard time.
I'm going through a hard time.
Things have been difficult lately.
Things have been difficult lately.
I've had a lot on my mind.
I've had a lot on my mind.
It has not been an easy time for me.
It has not been an easy time for me.
Good. These phrases do not give too many details.
That helps. Sometimes I want to be honest, but private.
Exactly. You can be honest without explaining everything.
Things have been difficult lately, but I'm trying.
Beautiful sentence. Let's practice a soft conversation.
Okay.
Leo, you seem quiet today. Are you okay?
Things have been difficult lately.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. I've had a lot on my mind.
Do you want to talk about it?
Maybe later. I just need a little time today.
Of course. Take your time.
That felt safe.
Yes, you shared a little, but you did not force yourself to share everything.
So I can say maybe later.
Exactly. That is a kind boundary.
Maybe later. I just need a little time today.
Now let's talk about feelings.
This part is hard.
Yes, but you can use simple words. I feel overwhelmed.
I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means it feels like too much.
I feel overwhelmed when I have too many problems at the same time.
I feel stressed.
I feel stressed.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel a little lost.
I feel a little lost.
Good. You do not need big words to express real feelings.
Simple words can still be deep.
Exactly. Let's practice situation plus feeling.
Okay.
How have you been recently?
Honestly, things have been difficult lately.
I'm sorry. How are you feeling?
I feel overwhelmed, and I've had a lot on my mind.
That sounds really hard.
It is, but I'm doing my best.
That is a very useful sentence.
It is hard, but I'm doing my best.
Yes, it gives honesty and strength together.
Not fake happy, not too negative.
Exactly. Balanced English.
It is hard, but I'm doing my best.
Now let's learn how to say what you need.
This is important. Sometimes people want to help, but I don't know what to ask for.
Use this phrase. I just need
I just need
some time.
I just need some time.
I just need someone to listen.
I just need someone to listen.
I just need a little space.
I just need a little space.
I just need some support.
I just need some support.
Good. These phrases help people understand how to support you.
That feels better than saying nothing.
Exactly. Let's practice saying what you need.
Okay.
Do you want advice? Or do you just want me to listen?
I just need someone to listen right now.
Of course. I'm here.
Thank you. I don't need a solution today.
That is a clear sentence.
Sometimes people give advice too quickly.
Yes, even kind people do that.
They say, "Don't worry." And I think, "Wow, thank you. My whole problem is solved."
Exactly. That does not always help.
So I can say, I just need someone to listen.
Perfect.
Emma, can I share a story?
Of course, Leo.
A few years ago, my friend moved to a new city.
That can be exciting and difficult.
Yes, everyone thought he was happy because he got a new job.
But was he happy?
Not really. He felt lonely, but he did not know how to say it.
So he stayed quiet.
Yes. One day, someone asked, "Are you okay?"
What did he say?
He said, "I'm fine."
But he was not fine.
No. Later, he told me, I didn't need advice. I just needed someone to listen.
That is very real. That story is important.
Because sometimes hard times are quiet.
Yes. Not every problem is visible.
People may look okay, but feel heavy inside.
Exactly.
What phrase could he have used?
I'm having a hard time adjusting.
I'm having a hard time adjusting.
Adjusting means getting used to a new situation.
I'm having a hard time adjusting to this new city.
Excellent.
And he could say, I just need someone to listen.
Yes.
That sentence can open a small door.
Beautiful. A small door to support. Now let's learn how to set a boundary.
A boundary?
A boundary means you decide what you are comfortable sharing.
So I can be polite and still protect myself?
Exactly. Slow. I don't really want to talk about it right now.
I don't really want to talk about it right now.
I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
Can we talk about something else?
Can we talk about something else?
Good. These phrases are not rude.
They sound honest and polite.
Exactly.
I can share only what feels safe.
Let's practice a boundary.
Okay.
What happened? Do you want to tell me?
Thank you for asking, but I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
That's okay. We don't have to talk about it.
I appreciate that.
Is there anything you need right now?
I just need a little space today.
Of course.
That felt respectful.
Yes. You did not push the person away. You simply explained your limit.
A boundary can be kind.
Exactly.
I'm not ready to talk about it yet, but thank you for asking.
Perfect.
Now let's learn how to add hope.
Why is hope important?
Because when you talk about hard times, you may also want to show that you are trying.
Not everything is okay, but I am still moving.
Exactly. I'm taking it one day at a time.
I'm taking it one day at a time.
I'm trying to stay strong.
I'm trying to stay strong.
I'm slowly feeling better.
I'm slowly feeling better.
I know things will get better.
I know things will get better.
Good. These phrases are simple and hopeful.
I'm taking it one day at a time. That feels real.
Yes, very real. Let's compare 3 useful answers to, "Are you okay?"
Okay, this is useful.
If you do not want to share, say, "I'm okay, just a little tired."
I'm okay, just a little tired.
If you want to share a little, say, "Things have been difficult lately."
Things have been difficult lately.
If you trust the person, say, "Honestly, I'm going through a hard time."
Honestly, I'm going through a hard time.
Good. Different people need different answers.
So, I don't need to tell everyone everything?
Exactly.
With some people, I can say a little. With close people, I can say more.
Perfect. That is natural communication. Now, let's learn how to support someone else.
This is important too.
I'm sorry you're going through that.
I'm sorry you're going through that.
That sounds really hard.
That sounds really hard.
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
Do you want to talk about it?
Do you want to talk about it?
Good. These phrases show care.
They are better than saying, don't worry.
Yes. Don't worry can sound too quick.
Sometimes people need understanding before advice.
Exactly. Let's practice supporting a friend.
Okay.
I'm going through a hard time right now.
I'm sorry you're going through that.
Thank you.
Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now. I just need some time.
Of course. I'm here for you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Was that okay?
That was excellent. You did not push. You offered support.
Support does not mean forcing someone to talk.
Exactly.
If this lesson is helping you, like the video and keep practicing with us.
Let's remember something important.
What?
Hard times are like heavy rain.
Heavy rain?
Yes. When it rains, you do not need to stop your whole life. You need shelter, patience, and sometimes an umbrella.
So, English phrases are like a small umbrella?
Exactly. They do not remove the storm, but they help you move through it.
I like that. A phrase can be a small umbrella.
Yes. I'm going through a hard time is one umbrella.
I just need someone to listen is another umbrella.
And I'm taking it one day at a time is another.
Small phrases for heavy days.
Beautiful. Now let's do a quick hard times quiz.
Okay. Test me.
You want to say life is difficult now. What can you say?
I'm going through a hard time.
Good. You want to say you feel too much pressure. What can you say?
I feel overwhelmed.
Excellent. You want someone to listen, not give advice. What can you say?
I just need someone to listen.
Very good. You are not ready to talk. What can you say?
I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
Perfect. You want to show hope. What can you say?
I'm taking it one day at a time.
Excellent. Now, let's do one full conversation.
Okay, I will use the support map.
Leo, are you okay? You seem a little quiet.
Honestly, I'm going through a hard time.
I'm sorry you're going through that.
Thank you. I've had a lot on my mind.
Do you want to talk about it?
Not too much right now. I'm not ready to talk about everything yet.
That's okay.
I just need someone to listen.
I'm here for you.
Thank you. I'm taking it one day at a time.
That was honest, clear, and respectful.
And I didn't need complicated English.
Exactly. Let's review the support map.
I'm ready.
First, say the situation.
Things have been difficult lately.
Second, say the feeling.
I feel overwhelmed.
Third, say what you need.
I just need someone to listen.
Fourth, set a boundary.
I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
Fifth, add hope.
I'm taking it one day at a time.
Excellent.
Now I can talk about hard times in English more clearly.
Yes, you can. Before we finish, remember the heavy rain idea.
Hard times are like heavy rain.
And simple English phrases can be a small umbrella.
They do not fix everything, but they help me keep going.
Exactly.
I can say, I'm going through a hard time.
Good.
I can say, I just need someone to listen.
Yes.
And I can say, I'm taking it one day at a time.
Beautiful.
Now practice in the comments.
Write one sentence you can use during a hard time. You can write, I'm taking it one day at a time.
And if this lesson helped you, subscribe to the English Room for more real English conversation practice.
Today, you learned how to talk about hard times in English.
I can say, things have been difficult lately.
Good.
I can say, I feel overwhelmed.
Yes.
I can say, I just need someone to listen.
Very useful.
I can say, I'm not ready to talk about it yet.
Excellent.
And I can say, I'm taking it one day at a time.
Perfect. You do not need perfect English to express real feelings.
Small phrases can help you through heavy days.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and take it one sentence at a time.